Good morning, traders. This morning I would like to start on a very powerful note. As price stuck at historical high, let's remember what matters. The average age of Nobel Prize winner is 62 years old. This is the average age of Alpha Fibonacci student. The average age of the president of prominent companies in the world is 63 years old. Average age of pastors in 100 largest churches in USA is 71. Average age of the Pope is 76. So the best years of your life are between 60 to 80 years old. This is a study published in New England Journal of Medicine that's showing that the age of 60 you reach the top of this potential, and this continues into your 80s. So therefore, if you are between 60 to 80, you're in the best second level of your life. So utilize your incredible brain power and focus on simplicity of trading. What did we discuss with my incredible students who are here this morning from Montreal, from Texas, from Washington State, from Florida to Connecticut, to New York, to Colorado, to Australia, to Moscow, to Dubai, to New Jersey. Every single trader knows extremely well the best is yet to come. So wherever you are welcome to join us. Every single trader, different background. Every single trader, different time right now. Theo, in the middle of the night in Australia, joined us. So when George joining us from Moscow this morning, it's entirely different part of the world. When Vassan joining us from Colorado, Clinton joining us from Texas, it's Olga from Canada. Every trader, different part of the world. Every trader, different background. But this announcement, this news, applies to our incredible students with whom we discussed this morning. Markets are brutal. Markets are nasty. You are looking at brand new historical high. You are looking at ultimate broker's heaven. Look at this shop. Look at this disaster. Brilliant, intelligent trader at any age know extremely well. Institutions keep buying every single pullback. So if I take you back to day trading chart we discussed with students, you are looking at historical highs. You are looking at institutions only buying this market. Single glimpse is all you ever need. Markets will become more challenging for months and years to come. Vertical bullish rally that started here when US in complete lockdown currently more than doubled in value. Intelligent trader knows quite well. Spectacular trading was here, where institutions added to their longs. So when I receive an email from student who was trading this, There is no speculation. This is strategic, intelligent trading, starting the month with $10,000, choosing highest quality institutional trades. It's a very big difference when you start understanding the power of trading with institutions. This is what system is based on. This morning trading extremely challenging because intelligent trader understands you're looking at brand new historical high. So if you start buying historical high, good luck on that one. This is extremely aggressive trading. Trades are present, but conservative trader understands this is extremely aggressive. Buying historical high will never, ever, ever be a conservative trading. And that's what separates intelligent strategic trader versus trigger happy cowboy who is dying to short historical high. Markets are brutal and will continue being brutal if institutions will continue holding their longs. This will require ultimate skills. But let's go down memory lane when markets are brutal, because pullbacks will be non-stop. You're looking at broker's heaven. You're looking at historical high. Intelligent trader has zero interest touching this unless powerful pullback plays out. Intelligent trader strategizing each morning. So, while brokers haven't playing out and vicious markets in front of you, intelligent trader celebrates being on sidelines. This is junk. This is gambling. This is a key part of your trading. When you master this, you are not staring at the screen. You understand there is no quality trading here. Day trading is not about buys and sells. Day trading about quality trading. Buying historical high is gambling. But there is nothing else that's present here. Only extremely aggressive trades. Make a decision. Is that appropriate for you to trade so aggressively? I certainly hope not, because buying historical high has extremely low success rate. Price pulling back 5 points in a matter of seconds is what will continue playing out if you will choose to pull a trigger here. And that's what separates intelligent trader versus trigger happy cowboy. Only extremely aggressive trades are present. Nothing else is possible. Only this. So if you will choose to buy the market now, your success rate extremely low. But there is nothing else that's present. Institutional traders can buy anywhere. Institutional traders already insignificant profit. But if you are trading your own account and you choose to buy historical high, it's extremely aggressive trading. There is nothing else that's possible, only this. The best case scenario, pain. The best case scenario, junk. The best case scenario, non-stop horrific pullbacks. Do you like pain? I hope not. So when you understand that the only brilliant option right now to be on sideline, if you understand that this is broker's money printing machine, the only brilliant option is not to touch the markets until powerful pullback will play out. That's it. That's strategic, intelligent trading. This is key part of your trading. Day trading is not about buys and sells. The most important part of day trading, when to be on sidelines, when not to waste your time, when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind. So if institutions will continue holding their longs, market conditions will test you to the core. And if God forbid you blocking your vision with indicators, it's a problem. Price is telling you, do not touch the markets or price will bite. And that's horrific, brutal markets in front of you that intelligent trader knew well before market open. This been lasting the last 10 hours. This can last the rest of the day. Your only option to go for a run, to walk your dog, to play with your cat. This is broker's money printing machine. You understand this part that plays out at least 40% of the time on any instrument you choose to trade. If it's Apple, if it's pound, if it's any instrument, choice is yours. When you master this, your trading instantly shifts to a drastically different level. Broker keeps printing money. If you touching this. Let's walk down memory lane, shall we? This is Alpha Fibonacci System. 2019 December, 2 years ago. Here comes the crash. With the power of the system, you know many months in advance where to buy from. At reversal zone at the bottom. So when price reaches this level and the country in complete lockdown, no one is surprised because this is institutional support, where institutions buying the market. Day trading is a dream. So many trades flying everywhere because when institutions taking positions, it's day traders' dream. On Nasdaq there are hundreds of trades, on Dow 50 plus per day, on S&P 10, 15, 20, 30 trades per day. Clueless traders shorting the markets. Intelligent trader taking position with institutions. This was a start of institutional rally during the worst historical health crisis, where billions of dollars taking positions. Exact same people who own news channels that spreading horror, nightmare, anxiety and panic were buying the markets at the bottom. This is a very powerful lesson on all I will be teaching in a trading bootcamp. And the reason I have students all over the world who are my dearest friends for life, as currently I have texts coming from Dubai inviting me for holidays, because those who are making an effort understand this is the most important part. So, when 14-year-old Dominic, son of hedge fund manager in London, joining us in the course during crisis, Dominic does this. A 14-year-old boy can do this. So can you. He simply obeys the rules. He doesn't clog the price with junk. choice is yours. Do you want to gamble with indicators? Or do you want to become intelligent, strategic trader? Jennifer celebrated the crisis. Wife of Emmanuel, to whose podcast you can listen to on the website. That's it. Choice is yours. Is it Nasdaq, is it S&P, or is it crypto and Forex? Are you 60 or 80 or 14? Which one are you? Your success starts with this. Without this, there is no success. You understand, we're brokers printing money. You are not staring at the screen. So this is institutional chart. We're no longer at 2200 level. We're at 4500 level. This can last for years and years. You will be tested to the core. All the details in a bootcamp. So when hedge fund managers from Palm Beach will be joining us in a bootcamp, so can you. It never gets old. When I just received another invitation to wedding. Which one are you? Are you 14 or 80 or 60, or are you just getting married? I simply ask you to make an effort. So while brokers heaven remains, and this been in a play for the last 10 hours, I remind you of the most important part that you will be mastering in a boot camp. So when you scroll over on our homepage, you can listen to podcasts from traders all over the world. You can listen to our podcast channel. You can view emails I receive. So much of this will be in my book. So please, view the movies students made about their lives and view the details about bootcamp. That's included in every single package. We have only 4 spaces left. This is lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with video library modules included. And if you're fortunate enough to grab the last 4 spaces in a bootcamp, it doesn't matter if you are 14, 20 or 60 or 80. Traders of all backgrounds will be in a bootcamp, November 29th through December 10th. In a bootcamp, I will be coaching you how to trade as hedge fund trader. I will be coaching you how to trade any instruments. We will be looking at futures, stocks, Bitcoin, Forex. Option traders will be joining us. Every option trader uses different option strategies to trade Alpha Fibonacci System with institutions. And when markets are quiet, I will be mentoring you how to optimize your brain, how to stop wasting your time, how to stop losing money, how to choose highest quality trades. If you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. And if you are the graduate of the course, bootcamp value of $3,000 available to you for drastically less. Please send me email or call me with any questions you may have. Because it doesn't matter what you trade. Is it Tesla? Historical high in front of you. Is it Bitcoin? Do you remember the crash? All played out in this trading room. Is it oil? Every single trader, different account. Every single trader, different background. But it all starts with this. When you stop losing money, when you stop wasting your time on junk, your trading shifts to drastically different level. And this is what Bootcamp will be all about. How to trade with quality, how not to gamble. When you understand this, everything changes. You start enjoying trading. That's it. No speculation here. None are present. This is what we discussed with students in the live class yesterday. This was conservative entry. Everything else this morning is a junk. Everything else this morning is broker's money printing machine. Market stuck in pain. Nothing good happens here. It's exact same thing on Bitcoin. It's exact same thing on Apple. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Again and again and again. It doesn't matter where you are. If you are in Moscow, or Dubai or Saudi Arabia, or in London, or in Melbourne, Australia, or in Texas, or in Florida, or in Palm Beach, or in Boston, or in New York, or in Miami, traders of all levels will be joining us in Bootcamp. This Bootcamp will never repeat again. Every single time I teach Bootcamp once in a year, it does not repeat. All events will be recorded and posted in Bootcamp member area. So, celebrate that you are here this morning, because it all starts with this. Markets are not about buys and sells. Your success starts with when not to lose money. When you stop losing money, your trading shifts to entirely different level. And that's the most critical part. And that's the power of pure price and what Alpha Fibonacci System is based on. So when you do master pure price, you can trade anything you choose. And that's the power of our global community from all over the world. I cannot wait for Bootcamp. Favorite event of the year. So when you're looking at this, Brett has done 5 bootcamps. This will be his bootcamp number 6, because more he learns, better he trades. That's it. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. If Brett can do this, so can you. He tried for 20 years. I cannot wait for Bootcamp. Let's take a break.